Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking leaf enhancement. With the popularity of plants in the home, there's always leftover little leaves. Or maybe you even purchase foliage like Galix to use to enhance and capitalize on that trend of plants. Using your Super 77 3M spray glue, just spray the back of the leaf. This was a single cutting from a begonia, and then adhere it. Or maybe multiple leaves. You can see the Galix going all the way around. Yes, they will dry, they will crinkle, but they'll last as long as the arrangement. And yes, it works equally as well with Dusty Miller. Wouldn't that be fabulous? Now you know a new technique you can use to enhance with foliage and use for all your arrangements.